ayun, no? Um, let's talk about retraction case of Rizal. So, bago tayo mag-start, ano nga ba yung retraction? So, what is the retraction means? Sabi dyan, the act of taking back an offer or statement or admitting that a statement was false. Kumbaga, pagbawi ng isang statement na iyong pinahayag sa publiko or kung saan man, binabawi mo siya. Kumbaga, sinasabi mong hindi ito totoo. Ganun. Pagbawi mo ng isang statement na sinasabi mong ito ay walang katotohanan. So, according to testimony by Father Vincente Balaguer, a Jesuit missionary who befriended the hero during his exile in Dapitan, Rizal accepted, sabi niya dito, no? Sabi niya sa testimony niya, si Rizal daw ay nag-accept ng shorter retraction document prepared by the superior of the Jesuit Society na si Pio P. Yan. Ito yung nilalaman ng kanyang retraction letter. Sabi dito, I declare myself as a Catholic, and in this religion in which I was born and educated, I wish to live and die. I retract with all my heart whatever in my words, writing, publication, and conduct has been contrary to my character as son of the Catholic Church. I believe and I confess whatever she teaches, and I submit to whatever she demands. I abominate masonry. So, ayun yung pinaka-realaman ng retraction letter. Yeah. So, yeah. Reason for retraction. Ano nga ba ang reason kung bakit siya nag-retraction? Sabi dito, the desire to marry Josephine Bracken. Yan. Gusto niya kasi pakasalan si Bracken nun. Kung hindi kasi siya magre-retract, hindi niya babawin lahat ng sinabi niya sa laban sa government, laban sa Catholic, hindi niya mapapakasalan si Josephine Bracken. And to protect his family from persecution and potentially seek reforms from the Spanish government. So, yun yung mga dahilan kung bakit siya nag-retract. Then, ito yung timeline. Nung Rizal arrived noong 1891, he arrived in Hong Kong to practice his medical profession. Noong 1892, to be exact, noong July 3, noong 1892, he founded in La Liga Filipina in Tondo. Meron yan dito eh. Saan ba yun? Sa Raha Matanda ata. Hindi mali. Sa Padre Rada. Sa Divisoria, yung kung nakapunta na kayo doon. Kinabukasan, 1892, July 4, Governor General Lohoyo Despohol, kung kilala nyo siya, kung nare-remember nyo, order to disband, kumbaga pinatapon siya sa Dapitan noong 1892. Doon siya nanatili noong August 1896. So, almost 4 years siya nandoon. Noong July 7, after 3 days, 1892, itinatag naman ni Rizal, ni Bonifacio ang katipunan. And Bonifacio is, syempre, leader siya ng La Liga Pilipina. Then, sa Bonifacio ay tinatag niya yung katipunan na ngayon ay recto dyan din sa Divisoria. Then, noong 1895, Rizal became acquainted with Josephine Bracken. Noong 1896, noong December 26. Yan. Rizal was accused and tried to be before a military tribunal for the alleged crimes of the rebellion, sedition, and legal association. Then, noong December 28, Governor Don General affirmed that the death sentence and set execution of Rizal on December 30. Kumbaga, pinirmahan na ni Gobernador General affirm. Kumbaga, pinirmahan na ni Gobernador General ang kanyang tiyak na pag-execute. Yep. In December 29, Father Sadera and Father Luis Bisa, dinalaw nila si Rizal and nag-ask siya doon, ask them whenever some of those who had been professor were still there in Ateneo. Nung December 29, Rizal had decided to retract. Nung yun, nag-retract daw siya. Then, nung December 30, at 6 o'clock in the morning, pinakasalan niya si Josephine Brackett. Yeah. Noong December 30, dun na siya, nung 7:30 ata yung nabasa ko. 7:30 p.m. dun na siya, 7:30 a.m. sorry. 7:30 a.m. dun na siya pinatay. Did the cell retract his Masonic affiliation? Ito yung laman ng retraction ni Rizal. Sabi ko lang kanina, I abominate masonry. Ibig sabihin parang, tinatakwil ko na as the enemy of the church and probated by the same church. Yun, yung laman ng kanyang retraction. So, did Rizal wrote and signed the retraction? That style as simple as mine. Don't bother, Father, to read it all, dictate what I thought to profess or express, and I shall write, making in any case some remarks. Rizal, 1896. Actually, yung kanyang laman ng retraction paper niya daw, parang hindi niya gawa daw ng mga Kastila, parang hindi niya daw gawa. So, parang gusto niya mag-retract pero hindi niya alam yung kanyang sasabihin. Pero nung binigyan siya ng retraction letter, nung isa-sign niya na lang, yun, sabi niya, parang binago niya yung isip niya. Parang sabi niya, Father, ibahin ko na lang. Alam ko na pa yung susulatin ko. Parang ganun yung sinabi. Did Rizal and Josephine get married? So, yeah. Father Balaguer testified he married Rizal and Josephine on December 30 at 6 o'clock in the morning. After his marriage, Rizal dictated a Catholic devotion book, De la Imitation de Cristo. Kumbaga, De la Imitation de Cristo to Josephine. Kumbaga, ayun yung binigay niya kay Josephine Brackett na nakalagay doon. To my dear and happy wife, Josephine. Yun. According sa mga anti-retractionist, according sa mga hindi naniniwala na nag-retract si Rizal. So, after analyzing 6 major documents of Rizal, Ricardo Pascual concluded that the election document said to have been discovered in 1935 was not in Rizal's handwriting. Remember ang 1896 binitay si Rizal. Then yung retraction letter niya o paper niya lumabas lang noong 1935. So, almost 40 years siya nawawala. So, syempre, di ba, isipin nyo. Kung ganun kahalaga yung dokumento, syempre, papahalagaan siya ng mga pare kasi ayun yung papakita na enemy number 1 nila is supporter pala nila. Then, Senator Rafael Palma, a former president of University of the Philippines and a prominent Mason, argued that a retraction is not in keeping with Rizal character. In mature beliefs, he called the retraction story pious fraud. Others who denied the retraction are Frank Labouche, a Protestant minister, Augustine Cotes, a British writer, and Ricardo Manapat, director of the National Archives. So, parang inaano kasi ng mga marami, yun. Kung nag-retract siya, paano natin siya naging bayani, diba? Kasi ayun yun, kumbaga, parang iniisip ng nakakarami na, paano natin siya naging bayani kung nag-retract siya? So, ayun yun yung iniisip ng mga anti-retractionists. Yan. So, para kasing, naging duwag siya ganun. Parang, isipin mo, binawi niya lahat ng sinabi niya laban sa Catholic government, yung Katoliko, or laban sa yan, Catholic. Laban doon para lang magpakasal siya sa isang babae. So, isipin mo yun. Meron siyempre mga para pro-retractionist din. May mga eyewitness. Si Father Vincent Balaguer, Father Chances visited Rizal in the Pitan and persuade him to retract. Yan, yung favorite professor niya in Ateneo. Then Father Pastels had exchanged several long letters with Rizal for the same purpose with Father Sanchez. So marami daw, ito yung mga taong nagsasabing may retraction. Then mga eyewitness sila. Pero ang tanong kung talaga nag-retract sila siya, bakit siya lumabas after 40 years? Tagal. After 40 years siya lumabas. Eh, kung gusto niya mag-retract, bakit ngayon lang? So, ganun. Kumbaga, parang may mga usap-usapin pa rin talaga na. Kaya may ganito, may anti-retraction. Ganun. The marriage of Rizal and Josephine, the act of retraction is established because while still no dapitan, the condition imposed on Rizal was no retraction, no marriage. Father Balaguer, the priest who had married them, testified under oath that at 6 o'clock in the morning of December 30, Josephine Bracknell and one of Rizal's sisters arrived crying bitterly with the knowledge of the warden. Yeah. So, yun nga, no? Then, next. So, yun nga, meron nga, no? Na mga Catholic books na binigay bago siya bitayin. Then, ayun nga din yung, parang may inukit siya na, parang, actually, Jesus, man. Di ko alam. Basta may inukit siya na Jesus, parang Jesus na hinalikan niya pa rin yun bago siya bitayin. Then, the priest and crucifix. Rizal was accompanied by 2 Catholic priests to his execution ground. It is the common and usual practices for the Catholic to kiss the crucifix, yun ang sinabi ko kanina, before they die. Rizal did so and kissed the crucifix offered to him by the 2 Catholic priests before he was shot. So, isipin nyo, hindi naman talaga siya galit sa mga pare. Galit lang siya doon sa mga nangloloko sa pare. Kumbaga, galit lang siya sa mga nagmamanipula sa mga pare. So, isipin mo, no? Kasi, hindi naman talaga yung mga sulat na hindi naman talaga about sa mga pare yun or sa mga Catholic churches. About lang talaga siya sa mga nagmamanipula sa mga pare. So, yun. Ito yung account nung sa pagtatakbo ng attraction. Ito daw ay kabilang sa entitled Masoneria. Hindi ko alam pagsasabi. Basta nakita ko lang. Kung saan nahanap ang matagal na nang mawalang retraction nila sa. Pero isipin mo, what it took 40 years bago siya mahanap. So, sabi dito, there is not the slightest doubt that every word on the document of retraction was written by Jose Rizal except for the signatures of the other witnesses. The whole document. Yeah. So, makikita mo kasi yung sulat Rizal doon. Parang sulat ni Rizal ay parang napakadali ng gayahin. Kumbaga, yung pirma ni Rizal parang napakadali ng gayahin para sa kanya. So, Dr. C. Del Rosario was also compared this piece of document with numerous letter of Dr. C. Rizal. Dr. C. Rizal, I. Del Rosario, did not find anything in Rizal retraction which does not proclaim that the retraction is in fact. He points out the most salient individual characteristic points of identity between yun. So, naniniwala siya na si Rizal yung nasulat yun. Ano ba important points dito? it should be pointed out pointed out that in the first place, Rizal did not fight the Catholic religion. Yun na nga ba yung sinasabi ko kanina, na parang hindi niya naman talaga intensyon na kalabanin yung Catholic. Kumbaga gusto niya lang talaga kumbaga gusto niya lang kalabanin yung mga nagmamanipula sa mga pare. Yun. He felt those that who abused that religion. Kumbaga nakita niya kasi na parang inaabuso yung mga Catholic. Yun. Rizal was not against the Catholic. But was against the Catholic religion, the manner the Catholic religion was the practiced by the friars in the Philippines during his time. Ito yung masabi na kung nag-retract talaga si Rizal this time, yung binabawi niya, yung mga sinabi niya sa simbahan. Pero hindi dun sa mga taong galit siya sa hindi, ulitin natin. Kumbaga, kung nag-retract man siya dito, hindi niya, binabawi niya lang yung mga nasabi niya doon sa simbahan. Pero di niya binabawi doon. Hindi niya binabawi mga sinabi niya doon sa galit sa simbahan. So, ayun lang. I hope you learn something. Then, sorry sa mga uh, utal-utal. Kasi medyo na ano ko sa word and sobrang daming information na pumapasok sa utak ko. So, yun lang. Thank you.